Hey guys, happy November the 26th. Today is the day after Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope you are well. Hope you all had a good time with your family. We look awfully dark, but it's not dark here, y'all. It's only like, it might be like 4:30ish or something. Can y'all see me? Okay, I should have turned the camera around the other way. But anyway, I'm not out in the, well, I am out, but I did walk. Actually, I jogged 2 miles and I walked 2 miles. So I did 4 miles, one by myself, and then the other 2 with friends. So I was able to get out today, y'all. It is actually, y'all should be able to see, it is snowing here and it's starting to stick. Let me see, can y'all see that on the ground over there? Okay, it's starting to stick, and I'm actually, like I said, I'm on my way home. And I did go out today after my exercising and stuff, and I did a little bitty tiny, not even, I didn't do no damage, but because I ain't out here like everybody else for no Black Friday. She's out here on Black Friday, but she's smart. She shops wisely. Y'all already know, okay? I'm gonna show y'all a few things once I get home, what I got, okay? So yeah, sorry guys, like I said, if it's so dark, but I'll see you guys in the house, and we'll chit chat some more, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So guys, y'all already know I had to come home and get some hot chocolate because what? I told y'all it is cold outside, like super cold. It's 20 degrees here on the 26th, which is Friday, and people were out. It was like a lot of cars out, and I'm thinking like, y'all should have seen like parking lots full of like Best Buy. I passed the Best Buy, it was packed and full. Just a lot of places were full. I wasn't in any of those places though. Y'all already know me. She's not going in any of those places. So being all in the cold like that, work, I had to come home and get some hot chocolate. Actually, I'm glad I kept this because this actually was for, y'all watching the television too. When I had the boys, was it last weekend? My daughter-in-law gave me 3 packets of cocoa and some marshmallows. So I just made, I didn't want cocoa when they had theirs, so I made sure that save it, you might need it. And I end up needing it because it's, like I said, it's cold. 20 degrees, it's freezing, and the wind is blowing and the snow is sticking. So you know it's cold. But guys, go check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan, because guys, although I don't celebrate like that anymore. Because Thanksgiving to me is every day. I'm very thankful. I tell you all the time, I'm grateful, thankful, blessed every single day. We all are. But so I did cook. So go check out the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. So let me just give y'all some updates. I'm not going to do the dossier on this video because it will take too long. I'm going to do it on the live. So I promise you guys a live coming soon. I'm going to do that. I still have the bedroom tour with the accent wall to show you guys because some things is getting done in there. So yeah, and then too, what else? Oh, the Etsy store, y'all. I'm not kidding you. That stuff is kind of hard. It's not hard. It's just work. And if you work on top of work, when you come home, you work and you're doing other things, it's just difficult. But I am making the time. I'm taking the time to do it. I have to put a video. I already got the video that I want on there of how I created my business and stuff like that. You got to do like a little short snippet of like that, and you have to put your bio, whatever. But it is coming, so I'm still working on that. And I'm trying to think what else. The bedroom tour will be coming. You guys are gonna like it. But what else? I'm trying to think of some other stuff. Oh, y'all see my hair? I was looking this morning And I kept saying, why when I look in the mirror, it's reminding me of something that I've seen before. Guys, the something that I seen before was me when I was a little girl. My mom used to do my hair just like this. She used to put a plait, they were plaits though, not twists. Plait here, 2 plaits here, 2 plaits here, and then she would do, instead of it, she would do 2 plaits here, and then like 1 here, 2 here, and then 1 in the center. And I was just like, oh my God, you still look like a little girl, like you did when you was a little girl. So that's a blessing though. Y'all want to see what I got? I already know. So y'all already know, or maybe I didn't mention it. Do you guys see this? You guys remember I bought this marble piece and then I added this piece of wood to it. I no longer want this because it's too small and it's too tight for my, I'm not going to purchase any more wooden utensils, but it's too tight. So I don't need it. I'm going to either gift it to somebody, I don't know, or sell it because it is real marble and wood. So, and it's in really great shape. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's real pretty, but I don't need it anymore. So what I'm going to do is replace it with what I'm going to show y'all right now. So I went to the bins today, which I'm glad I did. I only went because it was supposed to be Dollar Day. When I get there, it's not Dollar Day, it's $10 Day for their Black Friday. And I was so mad because I'm thinking like, I'm trying to get my 1 picture frame I need. And I'm looking for a duvet, little stuff. So it still worked out good because I only bought 1 thing out of there, honey, because it was, like I said, $10 Day. She's not trying to spend no more than $10. She's frugal and she's realistic, okay? I told y'all before, I like big stuff, not little stuff. But I'm going to show y'all. Woo-wee! Let me soak it all in before I show y'all. Y'all. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This sucker is huge. Huge. Look at the detail. Look at it, y'all. Look at that. Beautiful, right? This was $10. It doesn't say where it's from. It doesn't have a tag it just says that it's like a natural material. It only has like these 2 stickers on there. And it has legs on it, guys. Beautiful. So I ain't going to tell y'all where it's going, but she's large and in charge. So y'all already know she about to get rid of something that's little for this big sucker here. So I'm going to leave her right here so y'all can see how massive she is. I went to Goodwill that's next door to that place. How come I found this for $2, y'all? $2. It's all white. And do you guys see the detail on here? Let me just bring it up closer to y'all. Look at that detail. See the little knotty stuff on here? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This was $2, like I said. And it also has the feet on it. And it's like a whitish color. And I'm going to wipe it down, but it's beautiful. And this is what I'm going to put my utensils in for the kitchen. It's just going to look better than that there. And it's just going to go good with everything. I'm trying to narrow things down to just focal point where you see it, bam, a statement piece. And it's not a lot of it. You get what I'm saying? So this is going to go over there. So y'all get a good look at those 2. Let me see if y'all can see that. Did y'all see how pretty that is? Ooh wee. Look how big that is. Okay. Last but not least, I went to Savers today and they were not half off or anything. It's just that I was in the area and I said, I'm going to stop over there and see what's going on. And I ended up buying me a sterling silver bracelet. So do you guys see that? It's like a journey. Hold on, let me show y'all. It's like sorry if y'all didn't see it. Wait a minute. I'll do it like this. It's like a journey bracelet. See that? And it's real sterling silver. And guys, it was only $3.99. Can y'all see that? $3.99. And again, this is what it looks like. So it has where you can adjust. It has like 2 areas with the circles where you can adjust it and it'll be a little piece hanging. So the reason why I bought this, because I have this sterling silver one, and this is the Sikorsky's crystals on this one. It's sterling silver, and I have the Sikorsky crystals inside, and this is black and stainless steel with the Sikorsky crystals, if I'm saying it right. Then I also have this stainless steel one. I mean, this sterling silver one that says courage. I don't know if y'all can see it where I'm standing. Says courage. So what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to make it to go higher. It's going to look like it's like 3 of them on one chain, but it's not. It's just going to be 3 different layers. So I thought that was really cute. So yeah, I bought that for like I said, $3.99. And yeah, guys, that's it. I don't know if I'm going to add any more to this video, but maybe did you see something that you like? Do you really enjoy looking at it, or are you considering like going to the thrift stores or whatever? But guys, all of these items are beautiful and they didn't cost me much. So yeah, I will see you guys in another video. Okay, see you guys. Bye, y'all. And don't forget, love yourself so that you'll be able to love others, so this world will be a much better place. Don't forget, I will be doing the Dozier fragrance line that I got for me and my daughter. I will do that on the live whenever I let you guys know. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.